Let's dive into the numbers of the week, starting with Monday, the 9th of March. So today we have a 9. How we communicate with ourselves is a very sensitive day. You know everything, you feel everything, and everything can be too much easily. So things can come on your nerves and you feel like, So blow off some steam, stay relaxed. Take a break, a pause. And our path number today is the 4. So take it step by step. You don't need to know where you are next week or next year or in the 5 years. No, today it's really a day where you want to know where to put your foot next. And then what's the next step? What's the next step? That's enough of a scope to handle, and let these steps be filled with love, be filled with joy, and then you see it's just coming. The universe is guiding you, and you're creating a base for yourself, for joy, for allowing the universe to flow through you, to go with the flow instead of be against the flow. You know when to take a break, when to breathe out, and when it's time for action. So trust that knowing, trust your inner gut feeling, and that will guide you.